Construction number 1. Copy line segment. Step 1. You have to draw a line through point R that is longer than line AB. Step number 2, you then measure the length of line AB with your compass. Step 3, after that you put the center of the compass on point R and copy the length to line R. Step 4, lastly you label point T where the arc hits line R and erase the excess line. Construction number 2, copy angle. Step number 1, first you draw a ray and label the endpoint D. Step 2, next you put the compass on point A and make an arc and label the points B and C. Step number 3, now put your compass on point D and copy the same arc in ray D. Then label the intersection point E. Step number 4. Then you put your compass on point B and measure the length to point C. Step 5. Put your compass on point E and copy the same length and label the intersection point F. Step 6. Finally, draw a ray on line DF. Construction number 3, perpendicularly bisect line segment. Step 1, put your compass on point A and make an arc over half the line. Step 2, then put your compass on point B and make the arc the same size as point A. Step 3, finally, draw a line connecting the two intersecting points and label the point N. Construction number 4.
There are 4 steps to bisect this angle. First, you put your compass on point A and make an arc and label the points B and C. Next, you put your compass on point B and make an arc inside the angle. Then you put your compass on point C and make the same arc. Finally, you label the intersection point of the arcs Q and draw the ray AQ.
Construction number 5.
There are 6 steps to making these lines. First, you draw the line N through X and M and label point Y. Next, you put your compass on point Y and make an arc. After, label point A and B. Then put your compass on point X and copy the same arc. Then label point P. After, you measure the distance from point A to point B. Then, put your compass on point P and copy the same arc. Label point T. Finally, draw the line XT. There are 7 steps to making an equilateral triangle. First, you draw a line segment and label the points A and B. Next, you make the point P. Then, set the compass to the same width as the line segment AB. Next, from the point P, draw an arc near both of the other vertices. After, make the point Q on either arc next to the vertex. On point Q, draw an arc the same width as line AB. Label point R. Finally, draw the 3 lines linking point P, Q, and R.